Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight into cinematic mode. Open camera and swipe to cinematic. This puts depth controls at your fingertips. Make sure subjects are well lit and roughly 1 to 2 meters away because depth detection works best at that range. Tap to set focus on your main subject, then press record, don't pause. Once started, you'll see the real-time rack focus suggestions. Use them to plan shifts and keep compositions clean for smoother editing later. Once recording, you can change focus instantly. Tap any subject to shift focus, or press and hold to lock AE/AF so exposure stays constant during movement. To control background blur, open the f-stop slider and drag to increase or decrease bokeh. Lower F numbers produce stronger background blur for cinematic separation. Also, switch lenses to 1x or 2.5x to refine framing and perspective. Make sure to finish, stop recording and review the clip in Photos. You can tap Edit to change focus points and adjust the depth map after the fact. If you notice misfocus, use the depth editor to correct which subject is sharp. This is why cinematic mode is powerful. It separates focus from capture. If depth tracking glitches, make sure your iOS is up to date and restart the camera app. If that fails, reboot the phone to clear temporary sensor or processing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.